In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can create this kind of animations that you're seeing right on the screen, like these ones, like these ones. Here I have opened new project in Adobe After Effects, and I'm going to click on new composition. After the composition is created, you want to use this ellipse tool and then draw a circle. To draw a circle, press the shift key before dragging it, because if you press the shift key, it will create a perfect circle for you. But if you notice here, the anchor point is not at the center of the circle. To get this anchor point at the center, you have to go to the layer and then click on transform. In here, click on center anchor point in layer content, and you can see now this anchor point is at the center. This is very important step. After this, what we want to do is we want to add some keyframes for the scaling. So what we want to do is we want to scale this particular circle from 0 to 100%. So let us add that particular animation, and it is a very simple to do that scale animation. So basically what you want to do is, when we are at the 0th second, this marker is at the 0th second, add the keyframe, and at this point of time make it 0. Okay, the scale percentage is 0, and let us move forward in say 1 second, and at this point of time we are going to add another keyframe by increasing this scale percentage to 100. So if you see now, this is how it is gonna scale it. It will start from 0 at this position, and then it will keep on growing till this point of time. And you can also preview this like this. Okay, the next thing that we want to do is we want to make that circle disappear, and for that what we want to do is we want to go to the ellipse in the contents, and then in the stroke we want to reduce this stroke width. Okay, so we are going to add the keyframe at this point of time for this stroke width, and that will be a 0. Okay, and another keyframe will be there, and at that point of time stroke width will be say 25. And now if you run this one, let us see how it looks like. So as you can see, the circle is exploding, but if you want to slow it down, what you can do is you can move this keyframe just a little bit on the left side, and that's how it is going to look like. Now next thing that we want to do is we want to duplicate this. We want like a lot of circles exploding. So for that, what we want to do is we want to duplicate this particular layer, and for that I'm just gonna do Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and there is another circle. So to move this circle to another position, I'm gonna use the selection tool and then move it like this. So there will be 2 circles now exploding at the same time, like this. And same way you can just copy paste this particular layers as much as you want. Just make sure that you are moving these layers at different parts of the screen. And also what you can do is you can also have these animations play at different positions like this. So here what will happen is that animations will not start at the same time. So like that it is going to look like. I think this is a really cool animation that you can add in your After Effects projects. If you enjoy this animation, hit that like button and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.